Exploratory Arts Drawing students, welcome to your online world that you are now surprisingly a part of. I am so excited to transition with you and be a teacher in this new world with you. Number one, you're going to be awesome and successful. I really do encourage you to set up some sort of a checklist calendar, especially for attendance. So I'm going to talk about what attendance is and just a reminder of what we're doing for our projects this week. Number one, for attendance, as you can see here, I have office hours from 11 to 2 each day. And if you click the attendance for visual arts, you'll see basically the directions of how I'm judging you from attendance standpoint. And what that looks like is from 8 a.m. today, Monday, to 8 a.m. on Tuesday, I am going to be looking for you to make progress. So attendance for Monday, 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. is going to be taken on Tuesday at basically morning, saying, hey, I'm going to look back in the last 24 hours. Did the person make progress and did they turn in their post? So for me, I am asking you to do a discussion post. So if you go to your assignments tab, you'll see this. And basically it says daily attendance, you need to post every day to be present. And what that looks like is daily attendance, me checking in on you and you discussing what you did that day. So there's a couple different, projects, and each week there'll be different projects that you'll be commenting on. But you can see here that there's a Monday discussion. So you would click here and add your response to that. And you would say, a couple sentences about what you did on that specific day. Each day you need to post to these discussions. The Tuesday discussion, the Wednesday discussion, you need to have a post there in order to be marked present. This doesn't exclude you from actually turning in the work, which will be done here in your assignments tab. As you can see, this week we have a sketchbook assignment, and this is going to be something that you could work on and then post about, or the Scratch It, and this is something that you can also work on and post about. So each day you need to be making progress on something creative artistically. Now, if you, let's say, work on the sketchbook one day and then the next day you work on Scratch It and you come up with like some good ideas for maybe you're scratching one day and then you're working on kind of sketching those out to really practice them, that would be another thing. Now this week's a little bit lighter because I know in a lot of your classes it'll be a lot of learning, and then next week we're going to have some more work in regards to the project that you'll be working on. But as you can see here, when you click on Scratch It, you can see that basically there's the examples again, and this is where you're going to be turning in the final image. So in order to turn in your work, what you're going to do there is just take pictures of it with your phone and turn in the actual file to that project. Same thing with the sketchbook assignment, just taking pictures on your phone and turning it in. But make sure every single day of the week you're commenting on the discussion attendance, to update me on how your progress went. Thank you so much, and hey, enjoy being an online student. God's blessings.